Okay, good one, guys. Let me.
These rockets gonna hit us in the next door twice as fast. James Brown, I'm just gonna strap myself to a rocket. These rockets gonna get us to the next door twice as fast.
Shit.